Hi everyone, I'm Paula Nichols, and today I'd just like to very quickly introduce to you both SimpleChem as a company and the technology that we've developed. Now, SimpleChem originally started off as a spin-off from the group of Professor Jeffrey Bodie at ETH in Zurich, and since founding the company back in 2016, we've really been developing it to the point that we are at today. And now we have this really genuinely easy to use, efficiency enhancing tool for organic synthesis, which helps users to accelerate their own discovery research. So the technology itself consists of the synthesizer that you see here on the left, plus the pre-filled reagent cartridges, which are now available for a range of different reaction classes. In addition to these two components, we've also developed a set of highly optimized reaction protocols which are also editable. Now, taken together, this means that the technology can provide off-the-shelf solutions for organic synthesis, which avoids the need for multiple manual processes, for reactor programming, and for extensive reaction optimization. Now, in order to run a reaction, all you need to do is choose the appropriate cartridge for the reaction that you want to do and add this plus your starter material into the system. After pressing go, you can walk away and let the machine do everything else for you. You simply return at the end and collect your product. Now, this is a very fast process in terms of the amount of hands-on time a user requires to do a reaction. So as such, there's a significant time saving using this technology, which then translates into a big cost saving. In addition, because we've highly optimized the reaction protocols, and because we use some solid phase workup techniques, we typically use a lot less solvent than you would do in a traditional process. This means we are generating a lot less waste. So all in all, what you're getting is really easy access to molecules on a system that requires no specialist training at all. It can take less than 10 minutes in order to train a new chemist how to use the system and for them to be confident enough to continue using it. So although the technology was originally developed for N-heterocycle formation, since then we've gone on to really expand its capabilities to a whole range of different reaction classes. So now we currently have some very generic applications, so things like reductive amination and the Mitsunobu reaction, where you can choose both reaction partners. We also have a protecting group chemistry range, and you can see a couple of examples of these here. More recently, we've added in deoxyfluorination and azide formation. And in addition, we have some more niche or specialist applications, so things like the biotinylation cartridges and our PROTAC synthesis cartridges. So that's a very brief introduction to the technology and its capabilities. And I now just want to finish by showing you an example of where the technology has been successfully used in a customer PROTAC project. So I'd first like to thank both Julian and Will from Charles River in Cambridge, who kindly agreed to share the work that they did towards making these ALK2 PROTACs as part of a collaborative project with M4K Pharma. So as you can see here, they designed a range of analogues based on the available PROTAC cartridges at the time, and they then calculated the physicochemical properties of each of their designs. They then selected the designs for synthesis based on two main criteria. So firstly, they wanted to make analogues that would have the best chance of being permeable. So they opted for those that had the lowest number of hydrogen bond donors, the lowest polar surface area, and the lowest molecular weight. In addition, they also wanted to make examples that would explore the effect of varying the linker length. And I'll show a few examples here. So as you can see, thanks to the technology, they were able to prepare these analogues very rapidly in a time frame that would just not have been possible had they needed to do this work manually. Now, if you'd like more details on how the technology works for Charles River, or indeed how they can support you, particularly with PROTAC work, then I'm sure Will will be very happy to hear from you. For any further information on our system and applications, or to arrange a demo or indeed a virtual demo, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.